Bloop. Hey. Oh yeah. Welcome back to another snack after you hit the stack video. Hey. Today we're gonna make some Dairy Queen Blizzards. This is how to make Dairy Queen how to make Dairy Queen Blizzards. Hey? Okay, you're gonna need some vanilla ice cream and whatever stuff you're gonna want to put inside of your Blizzard. We got some Reese peanut butter cups and some Oreos and some Reese's Pieces and a brownie. And you're gonna need some milk because you might need it to help move things around in the blender. You're gonna need a blender of some sort. We got one of these little ones here, so that's what we're gonna use. You're gonna need some cups or something, some bowls to put your ice cream in when it's done, and some spoons. Hey, I think that's everything you're gonna need. I'm pretty sure. Anyway, let me set you guys up here so you're able to see. I don't know what you could see yet. I guess that's okay. Anyway, so what we're gonna need first is the cup for the blender. So we're gonna put some ice cream in here. We got vanilla ice cream. Hang on, I'm gonna need a spoon too. Okay, so we got vanilla ice cream because I wanted chocolate and Donna said Dairy Queen uses vanilla, so we ended up with vanilla. Anyway, I'm hoping you guys can see everything. I don't know what you can see. Hang on, I'll check in a second. I don't know how much ice cream we're gonna need. This is for 2 people. It's for me and Donna, so I should have asked her if she's gonna want a large, a medium, or a small. Hey? She'll be back in a minute. She's outside with Charlie. We were hitting a stack all morning, and we started to think, well, what would be good to munch on today? And we had some ice cream sundaes with brownies the other day, and they're really good. So we figured we'd try something else with ice cream, and this is the stuff we have around the house. The only thing we had to pick up today was the ice cream because we were running low on ice cream from the last video. Hey? Hey, you, Donna? Can you come here? You think this is enough ice cream, or do you think I need more?
No. Maybe another little scoop.
Maybe another little scoop?
Yeah.
You smell pretty earthy, Donna. Okay, we're gonna get another scoop in there, she said, so another scoop of ice cream. Okay. We can always put more in later, I guess, if we needed more. Okay. So next is what? Hopefully you guys can see. We're gonna throw in the brownie. So let's stick you guys right here. Hang on. Hopefully you guys can see everything. We don't got very much counter room around here, so it's a little tough to see. Okay. So anyway, we got the brownie open. Let's break it and toss it in there, make it easier to blend if it's broken up first, or I don't even know if that made sense what I just said. Okay, there's the brownie. We're gonna need some Reese's peanut butter cups. I'm just gonna go ahead and throw all 3 in there because why not, eh? We got one that's already melting and crushed. And there's a second one. And there's a third one. Hopefully you guys can see. There's 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. Leave a comment down below and let me know if you guys like these food videos. I don't know if you guys even like them or not. Okay, move that out of the way. Okay, we're gonna throw in some Oreos. We got a package of the mini Oreos here. Let's dump them in. We got them all in there. See? They're all in there. The bag's empty. Okay. And hang on, I might as well keep you guys up here. Let's open up these things here. I don't know how much you have to put in there of these. Maybe about that. Throw it all in. Okay. Okay. So that's everything. And then, yeah, you might want a little bit of milk because, you know, you want everything to be able to move around. So we'll dump some milk in there. That should be good. And hang on a second here. I need to grab a big spoon here so I can push some stuff down. We need to be able to put the lid on, okay? Okay, it's jam-packed. That's as low as we're gonna get it. Okay, hold on a second. Let me put you guys down. We got a lid over here with the... You gotta put the propeller part on the inside, eh? So that goes on like that. I haven't used this thing in a couple of years. I don't remember how it works. Somehow in here this locks into place, and I guess that's locked into place. Let's bring you guys closer so you guys can watch it get grinded up together, hey? I said to Donna we should crush up all the stuff first and then add the ice cream, and she said no, put the ice cream in first. And well, I don't know how well this is gonna work. I think we should have put the ice cream in last, eh? Anyway, we're gonna play with it a little bit and see what happens. Well, Donna, what are you doing right now?
Nothing.
Oh, you're right there. I thought you were... I didn't know you were around here. I thought you were upstairs or so. Should we mix that around a little bit by spoon and then grind it again?
Put a little bit more milk in there.
Hang on, we're gonna let Dawn in here. She's an expert when it comes to ice cream.
Well, your problem is.
Oh, Come on, Donna. Oh my God. You can't get it open?
No.
Donna.
Ed.
Donna. Which way is it supposed to go to open?
Not the way that you're trying to turn it.
Hang on a second. Entertain everybody there, Donna.
Hi.
Okay, we're back. That's what it looks like so far. Not too bad.
What did you use this for?
That was just to push it down. It's good. Go ahead.
Well, see, that's your... You need some more milk. You need to get it all worked in.
Yeah.
I can't do it.
Donna.
Okay, well, you just do it. I'll be the one that assists. I'm the assistant.
It's working a little bit better now. Anyway, we're just going to work the ice cream a little bit. We don't want this video to be too long. We'll be back in a few seconds. Hey? Work it, Donna. Okay. Everything's been worked in together. And Donna here is going to put it in the bowls. I get, fuck! Hey, what would you call this, Donna? Would this be a blizzard fail?
Yeah, I guess so. Yes.
The ice cream is supposed to look white, and it doesn't look white, and...
There's a bit of white.
There's a bit of white? Well, it doesn't look the way that I thought it was going to look. But let's wait and see what it tastes like. Hey.
Okay, that's good enough.
That's good enough, Donna?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to stick you guys down right here. And then we're going to go over to the table. Anything else, Donna?
No.
Okay. Oh, did they see the inside? Hang on, I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like on the inside. It looks like that. It's more of a smooth ice cream. It's got your Reese's Pieces and your peanut butter cups and your brownie and your cookies in there, but they're finely blended. Hey? How's it taste, Donna?
It tastes really good.
Does it? So I guess it's not a total fail.
Taste it. It tastes good.
Oh my fuck. Eh? Fucking rights. It tastes just like it, but it looks totally different. So I guess it's not a fail. It tastes just like a Blizzard from Dairy Queen. It just looks different, and you don't got the chunkier pieces. This is for when you're starting to get old like Donna here. It's easier to swallow and you don't have to chew nothing. You don't have to use your teeth.
Eddie.
It's really good. What can we add into this next time, Donna?
I think maybe if you just wanted to do Oreo, I think it would just be ice cream and Oreo without anything else. I guess if you wanted though to add some score, like some harder chocolate bar, like tougher chocolate bar.
Yeah.
I don't know. What else can you put in here?
Whatever you want, eh?
You could put in Smarties, but I'm not a big Smartie person.
No. Not big on the Smarties. So anyway, that's how you make a homemade Dairy Queen Blizzard at home. It might not look the same in the end, but as long as you put the right stuff in there, it's gonna taste the same.
It
Okay.
tastes really good.
Yeah, and if you like to have chunks of things in there, just break up an extra peanut butter cup and a few other things and just throw them on top. That's all. And then just mix it in with all the other soft stuff, and it's all the same. I think so. And that's how, did I say that already? So yeah, a Dairy Queen Blizzard at home. Hope you guys liked this video. Donna looks like she licked her bowl. And leave a comment down below. Let us know if you like these kind of videos or not.
Yeah.
Or if you have a request of something that you would like to see that would be a good snack for after hitting the snack. Or, no, I said that wrong again, didn't I? If you guys have an idea for a snack after hitting the stack video, let us know. And we'll try it out. What?
Nothing.
Yeah. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Notes. Want some more?
No, you can have yours.